I've never seen a man cub before. It's so...
Kira, why am I different?
You are special.
You've got hands, so let's use them. Jump! Yes!
Out of my way!
I shouldn't let them pick on you like that. Wolves are supposed to be with other wolves.
He's not a wolf.
Hey dears, how was Mowgli's video? I'm sure that you enjoyed it a lot. Because you are already familiar with Mowgli's story. And those who have not seen that, please see it. You can go to the YouTube and search for Mowgli or Jungle Book, which is its original title. You can definitely see it. It's a wonderful film or a movie, or you can say it was a cartoon too. And Mowgli is about the boy called Mowgli who lived in the forest as his parents were wolves. That means the wolves raised him as their own. He could talk with the animals, he knew their language, he walked like them, he ate like them, lived like them. It is a very beautiful film which shows the relationship between the animals and that child called Mowgli. Okay. So, do you think that is possible? That can be true? Do you think that we can be really attached to an animal like that? Do you think that we can survive in the jungle without any other grown-ups, without any other man or people? Yes, it is tough. And we are not sure whether Mowgli's story is true or not. We may believe it not. So our next lesson is about a boy called Manav who has a similar experience. He loves oceans. We all do, isn't it? Don't you like to go to the beaches? Yes. You love swimming in that, enjoying our time. So Manav goes there in the Andaman Nicobar Islands. You might have seen the pics of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Islands. They are really beautiful, they are very serene and enjoyable, calm and quiet. And here, our Manav also goes there and he meets with a tiny turtle. Let us read the lesson and see what they are up to and what happens to them. Okay, dears.
Let's read the story of Manav and the tiny turtle. What I am about to tell you happened many years ago. I was just a young boy and the Andaman Islands were my vacation playground every summer. Manav, please don't go in too deep, my mother shouted from her spot on the beautiful sunny beach. Yes, ma, I replied. I loved the beach and the ocean was home to me. When I used a snorkel, I pretended I was entering a secret world filled with mysterious creatures. That morning, I floated on my back for a while, enjoying the warm sunlight, and then I put my head under the water again. The next moment, I felt something touch my shoulder. Here, the author himself is narrating the story. Through this story, he is explaining one of his childhood experiences. You may believe it or not. He likes Andaman Islands very much. During his summer vacation, most of the time he spends on the beach of Andaman Islands. And his mother will also be accompanying him on the beach. When he is entering in the water, his mother will give him instructions. Please don't go in too deep. Then he will reply, yes, mother. He likes beach very much and the ocean was home to him. When he used a snorkel means a special tube that you hold in your mouth to help you breathe if you are swimming with your face underwater. He pretended he was entering a secret world filled with mysterious creatures. This sentence shows that he was having a deep ambition to go into the water. That morning, he floated on his back for a while, enjoying the warm sunlight on the beach. Then he put his head under the water. The next moment, he felt something touched on his shoulder. A turtle, a tiny turtle. I shouted to myself through my bulky mask. I followed him through shoals of tiny fish and hundreds of other glorious rainbow-colored fish. As I allowed myself to glide gracefully next to the tiny turtle, I felt his flipper touch my hand. I stayed close and the two of us swam together. After some time, I decided to put my head above the water to clear my mask while Tiny Turtle crunched on some green seaweed. I looked back at the beach. My mother will be worried. Tiny, I have to go, but I will be back tomorrow, okay? It's hard to explain, but I think Tiny smiled at me. Here, Manav, through his large mask, shouted himself, a turtle, a tiny turtle, and he followed that turtle through shoals of tiny fish and hundreds of other beautiful rainbow-colored fish. Here shoals means large number of fish swimming together. And he followed the tiny turtle. He felt his flipper touch his hand. Flipper, a flat arm-like part used for swimming by sea animals like turtles and whales. He stayed close and the two of them swam together. After some time, he decided to put his head above the water to clear his mask, while Tiny Turtle chewed some green seaweed. Seaweed means a plant that grows in the sea. He looked back at the beach and he said, my mother will be worried, Tiny. I have to go back and I'll come tomorrow. It is hard to explain for the turtle to give him a reply, but Manav felt Tiny smiled at him. The rest of the story we can discuss in our next class. Okay then.